So I want to talk about something 2.0, not Web 2.0. Everybody's heard of Web 2.0, Web 2.0. What I want to talk about is Services 2.0. I've been giving a lot of thought to this. I actually did some searching on the internet to see if anyone else was really talking about this. Found a couple places. A blog post on Evergence, a guy by the name of Esteban. He was writing about this in a similar way that I'm thinking about it. And there's also Customer Service 2.0, which is an element of Services 2.0, as I'm thinking about it, but not really the same thing. What I think of as Services 2.0 is coming up with transactional-based professional services that can be delivered to other professional service providers, and going ahead and putting technology, people, and process in place to deliver a professional service in a transactional pricing model to a large group of small businesses. So as opposed to going in and doing what might traditionally have been done in an hourly rate, coming up with a fixed fee or a pay-per-performance fee to go ahead and perform a service for the law firm that, because you're aggregating thousands of firms, whether they're law firms, dentist's office, cosmetic surgeons, you name it, any professional service provider. By aggregating thousands of them and providing the service, you're able to actually deliver it much more efficiently and much better than they would be able to deliver it themselves. Now, obviously, not every business process can be outsourced, but many of them can. And for a small professional service firm that maybe is, say, 5 people, I'm going to turn off my email. I apologize. That maybe 5 people. They really don't staff up when they get super busy. They don't want to, because then when times are slow, it's really going to impact them. If they have the ability to go to a web interface that has an easy way for them to order a particular service, have people on the back end start performing it, whether it's call center, document creation, something reviewed, a billing process, you name it. I think there's lots of opportunities for people to go ahead and start developing transactional-based services and offer them to the fastest growing segment of the U.S. economy, which is the small business, and really start to do more and more for the business. Once you get your foot in the door and start delivering certain products and services, there's really no reason why you can't start to offer them more, and there's really no reason why it has to be delivered in the way that people have delivered in the past. Anyway, I'm going to think more about the Services 2.0 and try and continue to refine in my head what the definition of this is. But overall, it's transforming what's traditionally been an hourly service and done in a one-to-one fashion and turning it into a transactional-based pricing, possibly pay-per-performance, and offering it through a web interface using, obviously, technology and people, and providing it in a repeatable fashion for thousands of firms rather than doing it on a one-off basis. Anyway, that's the definition. That's all I got right now.